Okay, guys, welcome to my channel. Right now, I'm gonna talk about the Western Union stock. So the price now is about 8.37 US dollar, and here's the financial report. The equity in 2022 is about 470 million dollar, and 2023 is about 552 million dollar, and 2024 is about 968 million dollar, and 2025 is about 939 million dollar. So the debt is about $7 billion. Okay, so the DER or the ER is about debt to equity ratio is about 787%, and the cash that is in hand is about $1 billion, $1.4 billion. Okay, the outstanding shares is about 337 millions dollars. Okay, and the book value, if you rate it here now, right about in 2025, is about $2.75. Okay, so now the share price is about 8.70 US dollar. So the PBV, price to book value ratio, is about 3.05. Yes, it is the lowest in 4 years. And then the net income in the first quarter, yeah, in the 2022 is $293 million, $1.151 million, $142 million, and now this year is about $123 million. Yeah, $123 million. Okay, the ROE is about 13% here. So the EPS is right now is about in 2022 is 0.87, 0.45, 0.42, and now 0.36. Okay. The fourth quarter is about 235, 169, sorry, yeah, 2.75. And now it's projected, yeah, if you multiply it 4 times until December, we can assume that the EPS will be about 1.38 US dollar. Okay. Now the growth, okay, this we have to say that this quarter is it decreased significantly from the last year, about minus 13%. So the dividends, yeah, it's flat. Yeah, from 2022 spread 0.96, 0.96, 0.96, and now this stock has already paid the dividend twice, so it already paid 0.48. So it will pay it again. It will pay the dividend again 0.8. So the total is about 0.96. Yeah, the total. Yeah. And the yield is about 5%. So if you multiply it twice, yeah, until December, so you will get the yield is about uh 10.767. You add it to the 10.67, so you will get about 10 11 uh 34. Sorry, yes, 34, 11.34%. Yes, the yield about 11.34%, 34%. Yeah, just like that. And the yield is quite high, and the DPR of the dividend that's given is about all of them mostly at 60%, 56%. But I think in 4 years, the dividend that the Western Union will give you is just about 0.96 US dollar. No change. There will be no change, I think. So the price, the fundamental price for this stock, so you just multiply this to 10 and 20, and you will get the fundamental price of here. So 0.96, if you multiply that, you get $9.6 until, and then you multiply it to 20. So you get 19.2. So that's the fundamental price. So as long as you get the Western Union in this price, you're gonna be okay because you will get about the dividend yield is about 11%. That's very high. So okay guys, we're until here and we'll meet next time.